Rain, water, mold, and mildew have challenged homeowners, builders, and designers over the years. Your finished siding is just one element of a water barrier system that starts with VaporShield. VaporShield offers high-tech water barrier solutions for almost any new construction project. RainScreen SA by VaporShield is a self-adhered, water-resistant air barrier with a built-in drainage matrix. It utilizes a one-step installation system that builders and homeowners love for its convenience and efficiency.
Mold and mildew has become the #1 lawsuit in construction. If the siding is installed directly to the water barrier, it catches water, it holds the water, it doesn't allow it to drain, it causes mold and mildew, it causes warping, moisture gets into the building. By providing that drainage cavity between the siding and the water barrier, it allows better drainage and it allows better breathability. You're making the building last a lot longer because water drains and it doesn't get trapped. The RainScreen concept is such an inexpensive and long-lasting way to make your building last without water damage. Put the panels on, screw the panels to it, and that drainage mat allows water to drain and air to flow behind the panels. And if it's not draining, it's going to turn to rot, mold, and mildew. The reason VaporShield has grown so dramatically over the last 20 years is because it is the most permeable water barrier on the market.